I'm Mikko Kumpulainen. I work for Islet as a data and cloud architect, which means I implement and design data and cloud solutions, moving data around, which is kind of a fancy way of saying we take data from where it is and show it to people who need to read it in a way that they can understand it. I worked in Motonet as a normal customer service guy, which kind of works for me since I enjoy helping people. But then I was asked to join the purchasing team. And it turns out I was the only guy who knew how to use Excel. I mean, I learned that partly from working with my mother. She's a statistician and of course school. But with these Excel skills, I was able to then do the numbers for everybody. And then after Excel, I moved into Power BI. And since now I've been doing analysis for a couple of years. And then I started, I ended up leading a team of data engineers. And now I'm coming back to, designing architectures and building solutions again. Everything kind of happened by accident, simply because of doing stuff that I enjoy. Well, I get to do my favorite things, which I'm very lucky to be doing. So I enjoy helping people, which is the best, and so I help customers, and they value the advice I bring, and then I get to work with data, which is amazingly fun. Technically, a customer will come to me with their problems. Let's say they want to build a maintenance network for some of their products, and first we have to find out how to get data out of the products to see when the maintenance needs to be happening. Then we need to analyze what the correct timing is for the maintenance, and then finally create a solution, maybe using AI that predicts when maintenance will be happening so that we can fix stuff before it breaks. The technology changes relatively rapidly, so that makes it interesting all the time. Even though I find the constant change interesting, it kind of all revolves around a central core, the certain tenets that data has, how data is managed, how it's supposed to be handled, and those things don't change. They haven't changed since the 80s. It's nice to have a solid core of professional understanding around a changing core of technical know-how. So that's, I think, the main thing. I think that data is the most interesting field. I never enjoyed work. Really, I always enjoyed helping people. I never enjoyed work before I got to work with data. So my advice is to find something that you enjoy doing and then start doing it, and don't let anything technical be something that holds you back, because currently anything technical can be achieved. What cannot be achieved or what is difficult is finding motivation. The motivation is something that needs to come from within you. Well, that is what I would suggest for anyone.